Easy way to lose weight efficiently. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Easy way to lose weight efficiently, so make sure to watch the full video. If you want to lose weight quickly and safely, you've come to the right place. This article provides 10 proven tips based on research and experience to help you reach your weight loss goals quickly and effectively. We wanted to help as much as possible, so Christine and I included a total of 101 tips. To avoid being too complicated, we've organized this article so you can quickly absorb it and choose the tips that work best for you to use as a reference. Keep in mind that taking just one of the tips on this list can change your life. So let's get started. How weight loss works. Before going through all the tips, it's important to understand how weight loss works. You may have heard that you have to cut carbs or exercise every day to lose weight, but actually, weight loss is all about calories, how much you eat and how much you burn. This is known as the calorie balance equation. Given that 1 pound of fat contains 3,500 calories, you would need to consume 3,500 fewer calories than you burn to lose 1 pound of fat. 2. Take Mike, who weighs 200 pounds and wants to lose weight fast. If Mike burns 2,500 calories per day and eats 2,000 calories per day, he is making a deficit of 500 calories per day, 2,500 calories burned, 2,000 calories eaten. After 7 days, he'll be 3,500 calories short, which means he'll burn 1 pound of fat, so in 1 week, he burned a pound of fat. Pretty good. You may be thinking, can't I just eat as few calories as possible and burn as many as possible? Good night. Eating too few calories can lead to reduced muscle mass and a lowered metabolism. 3. You also have less energy to exercise. In other words, your body fights to conserve energy, burns fewer calories, and makes you very hungry so you can eat more. 4. The quality of calories you eat and your lifestyle also affect this calorie balance equation, making you hungry or burning more or fewer calories. If you want to lose weight fast, you need to create a calorie deficit large enough to be sustainable, minus fat, not muscle, and keep your metabolism up and your energy levels high. You can burn fat fast. So what kind of food, how much, and how should we eat? How much and what type of exercise should I do? The following tips will help you answer these questions and determine the best strategy for losing weight quickly and safely. 1. Get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per day. 5. Sleep may be the most important habit to help you lose weight fast. The more you sleep, the easier it is to control your hunger and the more energy you have left for sports. Lack of sleep can cause increased hunger. 6. Muscle loss, and weight gain. 7. The lifestyle section below provides many tips to help you improve your sleep quality. 2. Record what you eat in a journal or app for 3 days. Tracking your eating habits with a food diary or calorie tracker app, even for just a few days, will be an educational experience that will make you feel better. It helps you change your habits. 8. Find out how many calories you eat each day, not just the calories in the foods you normally eat. Understanding your current habits makes it easier to change them and helps you maintain your weight in the long run. 9. 3. Calculate your target daily calorie intake. Once you decide on your eating habits, You can create a calorie deficit by calculating your target calorie intake. Remember, you won't lose weight unless you eat fewer calories than you burn. It is recommended to multiply your weight by 10. Subtract 200 calories from your calorie goal if you're over 25% fat for men or over 30% fat for women. For more information, see how many calories should you eat to lose weight? And how to calculate calorie consumption. 4. Replace processed foods with whole foods. There are many causes of obesity, but the main one is probably the increased consumption of processed foods. Processed foods such as cereal, cakes, donuts, and French fries contain significant amounts of calories without feeling full. To make matters worse, hunger levels rise immediately after eating these foods, starting a vicious cycle of weight gain. Eating foods in their natural state, or as close to natural as possible, such as apples, fish, lettuce, sweet potatoes, eggs, etc., will help you maintain a large calorie deficit by filling and stabilizing your energy levels. 5. Eat protein at every meal. Nutritionists can argue about whether a low-carb diet is better, but one thing is for sure. A high-protein diet can help you lose weight faster. 11 High-protein foods and meals make you feel full without giving up too many calories. 1 gram of fat contains 9 calories, but 1 gram of protein and carbohydrates has only 4 calories. I'm not saying dietary fat is bad, but protein, especially lean protein sources, will help you better satisfy your hunger. 12 Protein needed to build muscle mass. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.